There's many ways you can hold your yarn. Here's a few to try and see what works for you and feels most comfortable. The way I hold mine is I place it over my pointer finger and I secure it to my palm with these two bottom fingers. I use my middle finger and my thumb to secure my stitches, and then this gives me a bit of tension where I'm working so I can make my stitches here. The other way is you can weave it through your fingers, and that's similar, gives you the tension here, or you can even wrap it around your little finger and weave it through your fingers, and it gives you the tension to work here, or you can just wrap it around your little finger and over your pointer. Any way basically that's comfortable that you can get some tension to work your stitches.